Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your Toyota Corolla key fob. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace ready. Having the right tools and environment makes the process smooth and easy. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. Next, you'll need to carefully open your key fob. Start by removing the physical key, usually by sliding a small lever. Then, look for a small notch on the side of the fob. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this notch and gently twist to separate the two halves. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Now it's time to replace the battery. Observe how the old battery is positioned before you remove it. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards. It should click securely into place. Finally, reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Reinsert the physical key. Once reassembled, immediately test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.